let's have a look at plurals. We're going to have a go at turning a noun into a plural. Now remember, a noun is the name of a thing that you can touch or see. For example, dog. Dog is a noun. Now if I have one dog, then it's not plural. Plural means that I have more than one. So if I have one dog, that is singular. The moment I have two or more dogs, we add an S to the end of the word. Okay, so I have one dog or two dogs or three dogs or four dogs, many dogs. Okay, so as you can see, the moment I have more than one, I need to use an S. Now the only trick we need to remember here is if the noun ends in a ch, sh, or x, instead of adding an S, we need to add ES, okay? So if I have one bush, you can see the word bush ends in sh. So therefore, if I have two bushes or more bushes, I need to add ES to the end of my word instead of just an S, okay? So we can see here, one dog, two dogs, one bush, two bushes, okay? Now, a trick that I like to use if you're not sure whether to use an S or an ES is to say the word out loud. So if I said dogs or doggers, which one makes more sense when you speak it? If I said two bushes, it doesn't make sense. We say bushes, bushes. So you can actually hear the es sound at the end of the word when you speak it. So the next one I'm going to try is hat. I have one hat or two hats. So I'm adding the S to make it more than one. Now you don't need to write the numbers here. We can write the singular and the plural without recording the numbers. So let's try the next one. Car. I saw a car yesterday, or I saw three cars. Now underline the S, that's what we're practicing. We're practicing the plural and deciding if it has an S or an ES at the end. So the next one is fox, fox. Now let's say the plural out loud. Foxes, that's right, it ends in an X, so we're going to use ES. Fox, foxes. The next one is dress. Now I think we've found another rule, and this one we're going to look at a bit later. It ends in a double letter, and if I say the plural, dresses, I can hear that I need to use an E and an S. Dresses. I think the double letter tried to trick us there. And the last one is bed. I have one bed, or I have many beds. Beds. So what I'd like you to do now is look around your house, find some nouns. So remember, nouns, just everyday things. Have a go at writing them down in your writing book. Okay, so it might be couch, hat, door, garden. Okay, look around your house for everyday items and then have a go at writing the noun in the plural. So I have one couch, or I have many couches. It's got the es sound on the end because it ends in ch. One hat, or two hats. One door, two doors. 1 garden, 2 gardens. Okay, so have a go at writing some nouns from around your house, then turning them into plurals, and send me a picture of the work that you've done. If you're still not confident with your writing, that's fine. Have a go at finding some common nouns, draw the pictures, and with mum and dad you can tell them using your words what picture you have drawn, and then have a go at orally saying the word as a plural. So I might draw a picture of a heart, and I might say, look mum, I have 1 heart, now I have 2 hearts. Okay, or I might say, look mum, I have 1 star, and now I have 2 stars. I have 1 sun, and now I have 3 suns. Okay, so if you're not confident with your writing, have a go at drawing some pictures and saying it orally to